Hello. I'm recording this for Sylvia. I don't know if she'll use it or not, but I just thought about it. Oh, I think she's gonna vlog during Christmas, so might as well record this surprise now. Okay, so last time we went to Target. We went to Target and we went there to just literally for nothing. We were just window shopping, and she was really close to buying this Polaroid camera, and she was like, should I buy it, should I not buy it, whatever. And in the end she ended up like, no, like I can't buy it, whatever. And she ended up like not buying it. And then last night, literally last night, I remembered. I was like, wait, is Sylvia gonna, oh shit, I almost got ran over. Okay, last night Sylvia was like, oh my god. No, I was like, is Sylvia gonna spend Christmas with us? And I was like, then I asked her, whatever, because I had the idea, oh, I know what to get her for Christmas, because of course I'm gonna get her something for Christmas for if she's gonna spend it with us. She ended up confirming yes, she was, and I got so excited. So I was like, okay, there was only one Polaroid camera left at Target, and I'm gonna go right now and I'm gonna go buy it and give her that for Christmas. So it's gonna be a nice surprise. She's not gonna expect it. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm gonna buy her that. Okay, peace out. I'll see you at Target. Okay, so I have arrived at Target. It's so full. Like the whole, I have to walk so far. Like Target's all the way over there. I mean, that's so far. But yeah, it's so full. I'm really scared that it's not gonna be there anymore, because the one she wants is very specific, so it better be there. I'm in the technology section. Moment of truth. Excuse me.
I'm sorry.
You're good. It's not here. Well, it wasn't there. Damn it. Okay, I'm gonna go check Best Buy to see if it's there. I'm at Best Buy. What's happening with my hair? We don't know. We don't know her. Hopefully they have it here. If they don't, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'll figure it out. But I have a good feeling that they will have it here, because I don't know, it's Best Buy. So the search continues. Okay, so here are the cameras. Can't find them. Actually, wait, no. Okay, here we go. Oh, I hope they have it, or else I'm suing. All right, I'm gonna look for it. So I found this one. I'm just gonna get this one. This is exactly the one that what's it called? That's tab, because we took a picture at that had a really cool photo, and it was with this picture, with this camera. So if I feel like if I don't find a cuter one, because this one's like kind of boring, I'll just grab this one. I don't even know how much this is. Don't know, but we'll find out. So I found the one from Target. Oh my god, I have to pee. But it's more expensive, and I think the one I have is better, because the picture is bigger, which is I think what she wanted. Plus these are like cheaper, so she can buy more if she wants to. And with the Polaroid, you just buy 8 and it's like $17 or $15. This one you buy 20 and it's like $20, so it's like perfect. Yeah, I'm gonna get this one. I don't care if she doesn't like it, but she will. And yeah, I'm just gonna like see what else I can find. So I saw the tripods, and I'm gonna get her one. I like this one because, I don't know, it's very flexible and stuff. And I'm pretty sure it will fit to hers. I don't know if she'll like it, so I'm like, I don't know what type she wants. Maybe, does she want a big one? I don't think she wants a big one. Does she? Because I'm thinking, I guess I'll just get her this one, and if she doesn't like it, I can always return it. Yeah, I guess I'll do that. There's also smaller ones. There's this one. Maybe she'll like this one better, and then she can hold it too. Because the other one's really bulky. We'll see. Okay. I've decided on this one. I'll just keep the receipt in case she doesn't like it. I think she will. It's like flexible and stuff. And it's for big cameras. So, alright. I got her Christmas presents. She's gonna scream. I'm gonna go pay. I did it. Gets run over. Bought it. I actually I switched the tripod. I saw one that was so much better, like exactly the one I wanted for her. I hope she likes it. I'm pretty sure she will. I'll show it right now. Wait, let me open my car and get in. Okay, so we got your Fujifilm Beauty Guru. She's gonna love this. I'm so excited. She better like this. Whatever, we can always return it. I have the receipt. We got her some of this. And look at this. This one's so cool. Look, you could do like stuff with it. And I was kind of scared because it had a tiny ass camera on it, but it says it can support up to 2.2 pounds, so I think that should be good. I'm gonna go home and wrap this up. I hope to call my mom to see if we even have wrapping paper. I literally spent more on Sylvia than my whole family. Like, not all together, of course, but like, because I love her. She's my monkey. Yeah, I'm excited because I think this is her first ever Christmas. And I don't know, I want it to be special. Oh, being gay. I want it to be special, and it sucks going to like someone's house and like to spend Christmas and like seeing everyone getting presents and like you're not getting anything. So it like, I didn't want her to like experience that, and I didn't want to get her like just like whatever, you know. I didn't want to get her, I don't know, me trying to think what's whatever. I didn't want to get her just like bath bombs or like a lip gloss, something like that. No, I wanted to get her something she wanted, and she's which is the Fujifilm thing, the Polaroid, and something she really needed, I guess, and which is the tripod, so it'll be easier and stuff. She's been wanting that tripod for so long. She better not get one anytime soon. Luckily Christmas is next week, so we'll see how that goes. Yeah, it's gonna be great, and she's gonna have the time of her life, hopefully. Yeah, luckily I had money saved, so I'm starting to wrap. I'm not gonna film this because it's too boring. I have nothing to say, but just saying, I'm gonna wrap all of this. I'll show you the finished product, maybe. I don't know. I finished wrapping it. I already put it away. It's in the Christmas tree. Cute. Let me actually show you how it came out. There's this one. This is pictures. This one, which is a tripod. And this one, which is the camera. Ooh. Gotta hide them because she's coming over. What's today? Today's Tuesday. She's coming over on Thursday, so hopefully she doesn't see them. They're pretty well hidden, so I don't think she will. Cool. Now we wait until Christmas. Bye. Para Silvia de la Monkey. Yeah. Open it. Open it.
Oh my god, Monkey, I hate you. Thank you so much, Monkey.
Of course.
Oh my god. No, Vivian.